To be the successful person that you desire and deserve requires that you acquire certain habits and certain philosophies, and that you get rid of certain habits and certain philosophies. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, lead, and desire. And another way of saying this is, in order to achieve your manifest destiny, the things that you're hoping to manifest, you must make an Emancipation Proclamation. So let's go over a few of the things that you certainly want to connect with and some of the things that you want to disconnect with. You want to connect with a positive mental attitude and a morning routine that jumpstarts your engine every single day. Every day is a gift and not to be taken for granted. Only deposit high-test fuel in your engine, that is your mind. This includes expressing thanks for at least 20 things each day. The first one might be that you're on the right side of the ground instead of the wrong side of the ground. Your attitude of gratitude also acknowledges your spouse, children, or other things, for example, electricity, oxygen, sunlight, orange juice, a place to sleep. Countless other things that become ubiquitous in the course of living a day-to-day life. Your last and most important gratuitous thought is visualizing the successful attainment of your most desired outcome that you haven't yet achieved. Give this final thought some quality time and effort, and emerge from this experience with a sincere smile of accomplishment, like you've already done it. I've accomplished it. You're visualizing it. Make that connection daily, every morning, and before you fall asleep at night. Disconnect the snooze alarm and a morning routine that evolves into a feeling sorry for yourself routine. Get up! The snorgasm is highly overrated. The action precedes the feeling. Motion creates emotion. Eliminate the fast food, social media from your diet and provide yourself proper nourishment, the proper nourishment that's going to help you feed your mind. The first thing you put into your body is your catalyst for achievement. So, which domino do you want to use to start your day? The first and final thoughts of the day should belong to you alone. Outside troubles, whether they're the world's trouble, the weather, social media contact, a friend, you've got to disconnect from those and have your bearings and a smile on your face every single day. Disconnect from elements that deter you from your primary focus. The key to success is focus. Make this disconnection daily. Connect to a goal or a dream that you find worthy. Find a singular focus and connect with as many ways as possible. These include, but they're not limited to, a mentor, additional educating yourself, joining a tribe, people that believe the same thing you believe, reading, trial and error, and most importantly, once again, your visualization. Action is a necessary component. Do at least one thing every day that enhances your dream and brings it closer to fruition. Make your connection mental, physical, and spiritual. Disconnect to the repetition of meaningless, time-consuming, distracting activities. Your singleness of purpose is a key to progress and achievement. And there are very few millionaires that are out there that are like the top bowlers in their community. Choices must be made concerning the expenditure of your time. It's a valuable commodity. This is not to say that sampling different offerings, on the dessert tray of life is wrong, but what it says is if you repeat something that's not pushing you forward over and over and over again, then that becomes a habit. Excessive social media usage, watching TV, video gaming, as a few examples, can become habit forming and addictive. When your connection is mental, physical, and spiritual, a habit is formed, and you want good habits. You become your habits become you. Disconnect from disempowering habits. Connect with people that are positive and active and empowering. Keep company with people and things that are moving you forward. Find a mentor. Find someone that's done what you want to do or the direction that you want to go, and that way you're able to shave off some time because you can use their experiences to help you move forward. Attend seminars, look for the wisdom of great achievers in books and films, on video. Do whatever you can to acquire more knowledge. And disconnect with people that are negative, that are inactive, and are just disempowering. Stay away from bad news, people, and sources. Choose your friends and associates carefully. That's an important decision you make. We're creatures that succumb to repetition. So if you're with people that are negative, guess what's going to happen to you? You become those with whom you surround yourself. Connect to your higher self. Connect to do this endeavor passionately. What's your higher self? Your higher self is that spiritual part of you that connects with the universe through intense obsession of a singular goal. Repetitiously create the vision of the desired outcome, followed by the inner feeling that it has already been achieved. These two elements, they're the ignition switch that ignites and incites the universe to become your partner in achievement. The universe doesn't have any limitations, and it can offer its assistance through both logical and illogical means, utilizing your subconscious mind and or a series of events that you could need to predict or plan. The fuel for this partnership is tenacious action and inner fortitude. When you become your higher self, you become one with the universe, the creation, and you become the creation and the creator simultaneously. Disconnect from your distracted self. Disconnect from passionless endeavors. Another way of saying it, your passive self is that part of you that distracts and consumes your time. Why do you allow that to happen? Because we're relative creatures. And if a distraction of a moment is better than what you're currently doing or feeling, it becomes the favored option. Stop. Do a rethink. Favor activity that helps you make progress. Connect to empowering shortcuts. Model those that have successfully gone before you. Disconnect from shortcuts. All right, what am I saying here? We live in a world where technology can shorten our time frame for so many things that we want. What's not good is a hurry-up philosophy being attached to many successful principles. While I may seek to meet my future wife through an online connection, I'm not going to court her online. It's too important to not do these things firsthand. Or reading a classic or an instructional book. You got to do those things firsthand. Don't look at the crib notes. The nuances and creative skill of the author and the message that's contained there has to be consumed firsthand. Commercially, shortcuts will sell. But if you want to succeed in the long run, success principles have to be consumed firsthand. Connect to the mantra that says, be quick, but don't hurry. When is the right time to act? When it is, you've got to do so decisively and surgically. Your intuition, that special feeling that you get right here in your gut, is the universe directing you. It may not always seem logical at the time, but once again, have faith in your universal partner, the infinite mind. Don't try to hurry the feeling along. You'll know when it's right. Your gut will tell you, hey, this is something I have to do, and then get to the starting line and do it. And disconnect from the mantra that says, when I see it, then I'll believe it. You got to know that there's more around us than what your five senses tell you, because you can't see a radio wave, as an example, and your dog hears things that you can't hear. You know, your thoughts are things. Treat your thoughts with respect. and change that mantra to, when I believe it, then I will see it. So those are some things to connect and to disconnect from. These things will help you to emerge and see from where you are to where you want to go. And because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note, let's all get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad.